Greetings, Earthlings. It's your boy, Mr. E, here creating history. Happy Thursday. Here with a little market update. I hope everybody's having a great time. If you like what you see, like it and subscribe. So today is Thursday. We have a weekly close for the SPX. I believe tomorrow's a holiday, so there'll be no trading. Just want to take a look at this on the weekly chart. Again, we got our moving averages on here. The red is the 200, the purple and the blue are the 21 EMA and the SMA 20. The green is the 50, and the blue up here is the 100. You can see our higher low structure is still intact if we can get over this crucial level right here, 4200, which is also finding confluence with the 100 week moving average. That would be a big win for the bulls. Let's take a look at this on the daily. So still a little pullback, potential bull flag on the table. We'll see how this plays out next week, but a nice bulling engulfing candle there on the daily. And if we switch back to the weekly, bit of a doji, but again, we want to get over this crucial level here, and if we take this out, get above the 100, and we will be above all major moving averages on the weekly chart. So moving right along, taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance and the crypto total market cap. Bitcoin dominance with a little spike up yesterday. New candle today coming down a little bit. Total market cap still under this 1.18 trillion resistance. We'll see if we can punch through there. So again, if we see this dominance go up and the market go down, expect altcoins to bleed back into Bitcoin. If the opposite happens, expect the alts to run and Bitcoin to take the back seat for a little bit. Let's keep a close eye on that. Again, this dominance coming up to this resistance area at the same time as the total crypto market cap. We'll see what happens here. Something to keep an eye on. The Bitcoin, we're still in this little Bollinger Band squeeze. You can see our volatility is still dropping off. Just continuing sideways, not much new information since yesterday. Little hammer candle, but not a whole lot. Much to talk about since yesterday. Let's run through the stochastics real quick. 2-day coming down, breaking the 80 level. That is a sign of a potential pullback on the table. 3-day possibly about to cross down again. 4-day potential cross incoming. 5-day cross down. 10 days up. Weekly is a little tick down. 2 weeks still up. 3 week up. Monthly is still up and crossing the 50 level. So higher term time frames still in control. This 2 days looking very pullbacky. We'll see how that plays out. And the daily failed to get up above the 20 level. So that is essentially telling the same story that the 2-day is saying. Potential pullback is in the cards. Ethereum, Bitcoin, this is just a little symmetry I was looking at. So you can see this center line is pretty much right in the middle of this move here, as denoted by this circle. You can also measure that with the fibs here. If you go swing high to swing low, see the 50 pretty much lines up right in the middle there. So when you get big moves like this, you can think of price kind of just bouncing around this center line until it doesn't. So it kind of broke through this trend line here, and now we're in this little zone. I would consider these the major supports and resistances for this chart, and we'll see what holds up. Come down and test this. Or are we going to break up through here, and is Ethereum really going to run the show for a little bit? Only time will tell is a good little chart to keep an eye on. See if we just kind of oscillate around this center line some more, or will things break down or up. That will also give you an idea of how the altcoin market is going to perform. And this is a longer time frame chart. We're on the weekly here, so it's just another way to look at this, get some more information out of the crypto and the crypto markets. So Ethereum, we got our little rising wedge here. I got a volume profile drawn on from December 29th to the current day. Still have this slight bearish divergence on the RSI. So if we do break down a pullback spot, I am eyeing potential target area. Could be right here, the golden pocket, a lot of volume there. If 4-hour RSI comes down into oversold territory, could be a good potential entry. Again, this is not financial advice, educational purposes only. Moving along to the Bitcoin, you can see our major resistance just hitting this wall still, and we can't get above it. I got this on the 3-day time frame. I really like these moving averages. This is a great chart to look at. You can see bull trends. We just usually stay above them. Candle closures above. We do have a few anomalies below, and same with the bear market. Got a few candle closures above here, but in general we don't really close many candles above for the bear or below for the bull. We do have these sideways trends, but you can see even then it's not too much. And if you pair this with the ADX and DI and a couple other indicators, you can really get a better sense for where we are in terms of bull market or bear market. Bitcoin on the 4-hour, can see we're still just tightening up here in our little wedge. Again, like Ethereum, eyeing a potential entry if 4-hour RSI comes below the 30 and we come down to some of these fib retraces. Again, as the higher term time frames are in control, I would expect this just to be a pullback and continuation to the upside, as that is the direction of the major trend right now. But keep in mind, we're still battling this $30,000 area, and we could be battling that for some time. Heavy resistance overhead. Last chart, go over our little symmetrical bull flag still in play. Wanted to highlight this descending triangle pattern on the daily RSI again. I mentioned this yesterday. Again, these can show up in the RSI before the price chart, and it looks like we potentially could be breaking out of this, which would be another clue for the pullback scenario. And there you have it. Happy Thursday, everybody. Happy long weekend. My name is Mr. E. We're creating history. Hit the like and the subscribe if you like what you see. See you tomorrow. Have a great night.